Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Porus. So we're on the main road from Clarendon or Maypen to Mandeville, and we're now going through Porus. Now look at the state of this road. This is what you call a disgrace. This is a main road. This is the main road. There is no highway to bypass this road right now. The highway is under construction. So if you want to drive from Clarendon to Mandeville, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, this is the road you have to drive on. There is no alternate route. This is the main road. And look at it. No man, this is a disgrace for this road. It's a disgrace. This is when you talk about neglecting like the country parts of the country with the roads. This is the perfect example. This road, it should, even if you throw concrete into the potholes, it should be done. People have to drive on this road every day. Now mark you, Clarendon, these parishes don't have a large population. The largest populations in Jamaica, like probably 2/3 of the country, is Portmore, Spanish Town, Kingston and St. Andrew. So you know, you've seen those roads. So these is what you call the country parts of Jamaica now. Although Mandeville is a major town and Maypen is a major town, and I just cannot understand why the main road is in this state. The only thing you can think of is, I don't know, this is a disgrace for a main road to be like this. And it's nothing hard to just patch the roads. You don't have to do over the whole road, just patch the road so you don't have to be stopping for these potholes. But guess what? Unless the people block the road and carry on, no one pays attention. And this road must fall under the government of Jamaica. Must. I don't know if it's a parish council road, but whoever, government or parish council, they need to have their priorities straight, man. This is not supposed to happen. If it was a secondary road, fine, but not the main road. And I can tell you this, you can drive from Negril to Portland on the Northern Coastal Highway or the North Coast, and you don't buck up one pothole, because what? Tourists use those roads. You get from Montego Bay to Ocherius to Portland, it's nothing but good roads. You would never find a road like this up there, but this road, you'd have no hotels down here, you'd have no tourist attractions. So this road is neglected. Goes to the bottom of the list. Because, well, I tell you, you can see the road for yourself. When you finish watching this video, look on the channel for the Northern Coastal Highway, and you will see two completely different Jamaicas. Anyway, back on track now. This is the town of Porus. It's a small town in between Mandeville and Maypen. Has a lot of stores, schools, small population, nothing compared to Mandeville. It's just like more of a district but than a town. Now a highway is being built to bypass this road, but the highway, it's 65% complete, and this video is being made in May 2022, so we'll keep you updated on the highway. But the highway is going to be a toll road, so you have to pay to use that road. So this is still going to be the main alternate route to the highway. So they need to fix this road. They don't need to repave the whole road and turn it into a dual carriageway, but just patch the potholes. now coming on to we're exiting Porus and we're going to enter the Mandeville bypass. This road is also called the Winston Jones Highway, the road that we're going on to. And it's also the Melrose Hill bypass. So if we were to turn right here, we would go through Melrose Hill. Now if you notice, a lot of traffic is that way. With the highway being built, they have closed a part of this road to build a bridge. So the direction we're going in, we can use the road, but the persons coming from Mandeville have to bypass through Melrose Hill. And that Melrose Hill bypass was actually the original route of the road before this bypass was built. And they say it's going to take about 7 months for the bridge to be built, so they'll have to use that road. It's a minor delay. We're going to make a video of the bypass so that persons can see what you have to go through. Okay, but this now, here the road intersects the highway. So we're going to go on the highway to see how far the construction has reached, if we can. Sometimes they have security at the gate, so let's snuff up ourselves and turn here to see what's going on. Okay, the persons are calling to us, telling us no, we can't do that. So we're going to turn around. We're not going to interfere with anybody.